So I want everybody to remember that the Employee of the Month parking spot is...
I have a question. Is this the room where all hope goes to die?
Shh, not now.
Q2 is really gonna stretch us.
Stretch? Stretch like a crispy wheel of ooey gooey cheese on top of a charbroiled Angus patty covered in boom boom sauce?
Would they notice if I left?
Nah, this whole company's about to become irrelevant anyway.
Introducing the new BFC Angus Thick Burger at Carl's Jr. and Hardee's.
Feed your...
Happy.
It's beautiful what Double XP can do. Stay ahead in Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War with Mountain Dew Game Fuel.
This is CNN.
This is an emergency action notification, which is issued by the Guam legislature at the request of the United States government and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. All media and news outlets across Guam should transmit this emergency message. This station has ceased our normal programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will be on the air to provide news and information which are dedicated to ensuring the safety and survival of the people of Guam. Telephone lines are currently not recommended for use due to extreme congestion and potential system failures caused by high call volumes. Please rely on battery-powered radios and emergency broadcasts for updates. The Australian rage virus has breached into Guam. A few days ago, most of mainland Australia collapsed under the weight of this devastating apocalyptic virus, an aggressive neurological pathogen that turns its hosts violently hostile within minutes of infection. The virus has since spread rapidly, breaching Norfolk Island, New Zealand, and both the eastern and western seaboards of the United States. As of this announcement, multiple verified outbreaks have been confirmed across Guam, prompting this unprecedented emergency action. Investigators believe the virus entered Guam through both international travel and maritime channels. Guam International Airport and the Jose de Leon Guerrero Commercial Port are now considered primary infection points, with reports indicating that several contaminated vessels, including derelict Australian Navy warships and cargo ships, docked without proper inspection. These ships, carrying infected individuals or contaminated materials, are suspected to have brought the virus directly into our civilian population centers. Significant incidents have been reported in the villages of Dededo, Tamuning, and Mangilao. Emergency medical teams confirm over 700 fatalities in the last 48 hours, with at least 1,400 individuals unaccounted for and presumed infected. Approximately 4,000 residents have been confirmed as surviving and uninfected, currently sheltered in temporary quarantine zones. Symptoms of the rage virus include bloodshot or hemorrhaging eyes, uncontrollable aggression, rapid heartbeat, spasms, and an overwhelming urge to attack others without provocation. Infected individuals are extremely dangerous and should not be approached under any circumstances. All citizens should remain indoors, secure all entry points, and stay away from public spaces. Do not attempt to care for infected individuals. If someone in your household is showing symptoms, isolate them immediately and contact the Guam Emergency Services on Channel 9 Emergency Radio. Evacuation centers have been established at Anderson Air Force Base, Orote Point Naval Base, and the University of Guam Field House. All flights and cruise departures have been suspended until further notice. All school and work activities are officially canceled. Governor Lourdes Leon Guerrero urges residents to remain calm and follow all official directives. The U.S. military, Guam National Guard, and SWAT teams are fully deployed to contain outbreaks, protect survivors, and enforce quarantine zones. This concludes the emergency broadcast message. Remain vigilant, stay indoors, and protect your families. Further instructions will follow through designated emergency frequencies. May God bless Guam and the United States of America. This message will repeat in 5 minutes. We will update you on this developing situation as soon as possible.